I bet you didn't know that just 3 vitamins could make a huge difference in your leg strength, fast. If you're struggling with weak legs, stiffness, or balance issues as you get older, you're not alone. Most people just assume this is what happens with aging. But what if that assumption is actually holding you back from real strength and recovery? Let's dive into the science-backed vitamins that can help you get stronger legs, fast. In reality, these symptoms are often the early warning signs of age-related muscle loss, which is also known as sarcopenia. And honestly, it doesn't announce itself with pain or swelling. It just sort of sneaks up on you, making everyday tasks harder, until one day even standing up from a chair feels like a challenge. But here's the breakthrough. Scientific research now shows that 3 essential vitamins can help rebuild muscle strength, restore nerve signaling, and improve blood circulation in the legs, and they do it fast, naturally, and without strenuous workouts or expensive therapy. These aren't just internet myths. They're validated by clinical studies and decades of geriatric medicine. Let's begin with vitamin D. While most people think of it as a bone builder, vitamin D is also a key player in maintaining and repairing muscle tissue. It enhances muscle protein synthesis, which is your body's natural way of strengthening muscles. Numerous studies have linked low levels of vitamin D to decreased leg strength and a higher risk of falls in older adults. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that supplementing with vitamin D significantly improved lower body performance in seniors. You can get vitamin D from sunlight, fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, and fortified milk. But for seniors, especially those who spend more time indoors, supplementing with 800 to 2,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily is often necessary. Just remember to take it with a meal that includes healthy fats, because vitamin D is fat-soluble and that helps your body absorb it better. Next is vitamin B12, the vital nutrient for nerve health and muscle coordination. As you age, your body's ability to absorb B12 from food declines, making deficiencies more common and more dangerous. Low B12 can lead to numbness, weakness, tingling in the legs, and impaired balance. It's like your muscles are ready to move, but the brain's signals aren't getting through. Harvard researchers have highlighted how B12 deficiency can reduce walking speed and stability in older adults. You can get B12 from foods like meat, fish, and dairy, but for those over 60, sublingual tablets or B12 injections are often the most effective route. A dosage of 500 to 1,000 micrograms per day is generally safe. And since B12 also helps with red blood cell production, it boosts oxygen delivery to your muscles, keeping them energized and responsive. Then we have vitamin E, an antioxidant powerhouse that enhances circulation and reduces muscle inflammation. As you get older, your muscles become more susceptible to oxidative stress, which impairs recovery and endurance. So here's the thing about vitamin E. It actually works at a cellular level to keep your blood vessels flexible and functioning well. That means, more oxygen and nutrients are able to reach your leg muscles exactly when they need it most. A study published in Free Radical Biology and Medicine found that vitamin E improves vascular health and supports better muscle performance, particularly in older populations. You'll find it in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocado. For supplementation, choose a mixed tocopherol formula, not just alpha tocopherol, and aim for 100 to 200 IU per day. For added effect, consider pairing it with vitamin C or CoQ10 to amplify its antioxidant properties. Here's how to use these 3 vitamins smartly. Take vitamin D with your breakfast, ideally with eggs or avocado toast to enhance absorption. Use a sublingual B12 mid-morning or after lunch, especially if you have digestive issues. Take vitamin E with your main meal to ensure it gets absorbed properly. Keep your body hydrated throughout the day and consider light daily movement like short walks or seated leg lifts. These simple habits help your body use the vitamins more efficiently and accelerate their effects. You don't need hardcore workouts or pricey rehab to get your legs stronger. These 3 targeted vitamins give your muscles, nerves, and circulation exactly what they need to perform, backed by science, tailored for seniors. Talk with your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you're on medication. But remember, it's never too late to get stronger. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to keep their legs moving strong. And drop a comment if you'd like to see a follow-up video on simple exercises or meal plans that support leg health even more.